Mike Paskey.
And where are you guys from?
We're from Drain.
Hey, great.
Drain and Eugene.
Oh, sure.
I leave these
Nice
shots
country.
in so that I don't jeopardize
And
my
what
amateur
engine you got?
standing.
Zeno at G62,
And what's she weigh?
37.5 pounds.
Ooh, I bet it flies nice, huh?
Yeah, it does. Flies like a pup.
Good, good. Well, I'm building a smaller 1.5 strutter, you know, that's where the pup came from.
Oh, yeah.
That's why they call it a pup. It was a pup for the 1.5 strutter.
270 miles per hour around the port and cruising with 250 miles per hour.
Nanching.
Yeah, that's not.
Chinese Nanching.
With a 30-foot 10-inch wingspan.
Here's Sam Richardson in the yak. Oh boy, look at that. Nice one, Sam. Nanching out of Aurora Airport. It's a Russian design, Soviet Union design.
And right behind her...
Yak 11. Nanching. Okay, here comes Sam in the yak again.
I noticed that tree. God, he's low over that summit.
Nice one, Sam. Nice one, Sam.
One.
Larry Shepard, sport scale. Very nice, Larry. Very nice, Larry. Joe Topper. That's Larry Shepard in for a touch and go.
100 inches, 12 pounds.
Okay, now he's got to go.
Sport Jenny.
Uh-oh, didn't make it. R4. Painted with the same paint the full-size one is painted with. Bend, Oregon. Joe Topper on overshoot. Bill Curry in his stagger wing Beach with a 7-cylinder Seidel radial engine.
Stagger wing was one of the premier aircraft in this day.
Very nice, Bill. Gear up. Hey, Joe Topper's coming in for his landing for his second flight on Saturday. Proctor Newport 28. Very nice, Joe. Very nice. Ward Amy. N3N, or NE2.
Hubbard, 7-cylinder engine, a ton of torque. Aircraft he's flying is 17 years old.
Jack Wilcox. Hyper Cub. Split wing, it looks like. 17 years old. Looks like a Chandelle. Okay, Bill Curry's bringing the stagger wing in. Uh-oh.
And he's down. Coming in for an overshoot.
Fort Amy on an overshoot. Isn't that pretty? Okay, Ward is coming in. Very nice, Ward.
And he's down.
Okay, I'll hold.
Sam, we want to thank you for bringing your Yak 11 over
Run by
for
the
the
Russian
flyby.
aerobatic
Well, you're
team.
very welcome.
You really did a great job.
I had more fun than you did.
Thanks again.
You're welcome.
Tomorrow you bring your PT-18, right?
I'll sure try.
Hey, thanks. Jack Wilcox coming in for his landing.
Flight line 3, Lynn Streets on deck. Mike Brewer here in Ohio. Mike.
Very nice. Randy Smith Heisler taxiing out for his second flight of the day. Electric. Don Irwin, Boise, Idaho.
Beginning maneuver now. Turn my out on him.
Touch and go for Dave Lovett.
This is Dick Hansen and Orville Brooks. Orville Brooks is Proctor Fokker Eindecker E3. Dick Hansen's going to be flying it in team scale. It's powered by a Laser 200. This is the world famous Dick Hansen going through his maneuvers with the judges prior to his round 2 flight here at the Evergreen Scale Masters Qualifier. This is the Proctor Fokker E3 ready for its taxiing out for its takeoff on round 2. Okay, it's starting to take off with the Fokker Eindecker E3 with the Laser 200.
Dick Hansen takes the Eindecker off here on flight line 1 with the team scale entry. Orville Brooks is the builder.
Okay, this is Dick Hansen coming by on his fly path.
D7 and the airplane is coming drawing.
Team scaling the Fokker Eindecker E3 from Orville Brooks. Here's Proctor's Fokker D7 prototype. Joe Topper and Dick Heining team scale.
Gary Parker on the camera.
Comes the Fokker Eindecker, and I think he's going to do an overshoot this time. Have to go around because there's an airplane in the runway.
Mike Brewer is up next on flight line 3.
Eindecker's going to be doing a touch and go. It's a Proctor kit, Fokker E3 Eindecker with a Laser V200 for power. He's on final approach for his touch and go.
Setting up for a touch and go.
Very nice.
Goodbye.
Comes the Fokker D7. I'm not really sure what Joe's going to do here. It looks like an overshoot. Laser 300 power. Comes
Setting up for a touch
Joe
and go.
Topper and Dick Heining flying the Fokker D7 on a touch and go. Very nice. Okay, here comes the Eindecker. I think I'll be a landing on the Eindecker this time. Like he's using the pavement.
Okay, Joe Topper here helping Gary Parker with his albatross. Wing walker, tail walker. Nice one, Gary. Look at the color on that beauty. Mike Brewer coming in over an overshoot. Oh, nice one, Mike. What a nice one. One of the better ones of the day. Very nice flying airplane. Gary Parker coming in, I think, for an overshoot. Yes.